Guys ready for this? Dun 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 dun. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons. Today's video is a little different, but it's very, very real life, and it's very much what is going on right now with me. So pretty much my life is a mess right now, but it's all like for the best. There's a lot of changes going on, and you know what? Not even if you're a mom, anybody. Changes are difficult, especially when you have like little ones and you're a very routine type family like we are. So, things we're being blessed with is construction downstairs. We're completely redoing the downstairs. We talked about this before. If you're new here, we're redoing our fireplace. We took out a giant built-in desk. We knocked down a wall. All of these things, we're redoing all the floors downstairs. We're getting a completely new bathroom downstairs. So all of these things are such blessings, and we're so grateful for them. But it's definitely challenging keeping your family upstairs. Another thing, Tanner has RSV. So we've been doing breathing treatments. It's been really, really hard for him. He was coughing to the point of puking. Ella is getting over kind of the same thing, but she never got swabbed, so I'll never know if that's what she had as well. And, you know, we just got back from Disney, which is also a very big blessing. And there was an article that came out that, like, a ton of people in that area are filling up the ERs with RSV, so that's kind of when it started, so I feel like we might have gotten it there. Anyway, that's besides the point. We're on the up and up, and we're going to get better. We're doing everything we can. Also in the middle of switching over all of my cleaning products to be like all natural, Young Living cleaning products like Thieves and stuff like that, in the middle of switching right now, like my skincare, like everything. But it's a lot to do at one time, so I'm trying to take it like step by step, because otherwise it will get extremely overwhelming. So yeah, I'm in the middle of doing that, but I just got to show you guys what's going on. I need to update you. We're not doing Vlogmas because it's just way too stressful. Should also mention that we are switching over. I don't know if everybody knows, like, I think everybody knows Verizon, but I don't know if everybody knows Comcast. We're switching over from Verizon to Comcast because my videos were taking like 4 hours to upload and process, and like Comcast was just more affordable for us, and they had like a really, like, I think it's like called like a gamer internet, I don't know, like really good internet so that your videos will go up faster, because that was really stressful. I was trying to like, and I suggest for you to do this too, like write down a list of things that are stressing you out, find out what is something that you can control or change, and, you know, work on that. But like the things that you can't control or change, you just gotta let it go. So that was one of the things, like the upload times and like just like constantly checking to see if I uploaded. That was really stressing me out. It was taking way too much time in the morning, and, you know, just like my people are like waiting for me to upload, and I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm trying. Doing collabs was a disaster because I never knew like when my video would be done processing, and yeah. So hopefully this is great. However, apparently like we don't have some line that they need, and Verizon shut off our cable and internet today. Comcast is here, and they're not going to be able to set up our cable or internet for 7 to 10 days because they need to put a line in the ground, and they can't even come out for another 7 to 10 days. So I'm going to be spending a lot of time at Starbucks uploading, and that's not always the fastest, so just bear with me during this time, you guys. And I really wanted to do this video just to update you, show you what's really going on around here. It's messy, but it'll be worth it. I just keep thinking of, like, I'm praying that, like, by Christmas, like, we'll have the downstairs done so we can go and, like, get a real Christmas tree, even though it's going to be, like, probably, like, Christmas Eve we'll be able to do that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and just give me some love right now, guys. I just need a little bit of your love. You know, decorate the tree together, like just do our like family traditions. I just dream of like having our stockings hung up on the new fireplace. I'm really hoping that it's done in time for Christmas. I know the laundry room will not be done for Christmas, but that's fine. No big deal. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. And I'm going to show you how we're living. It's not that pretty, but it's going to be awesome. It's going to be worth it. And I know 1,000,000% this is first world problems. I'm just sharing what is going on in my life because I am like extremely open with you guys, and I literally tell you everything. Sometimes like my friends and family get mad because they find stuff through here first, which isn't fair. I'm sorry guys, but I'm just giving you an example of how open I am with you guys. Let's go check it out. Again, brutally honest, I'm looking around and I think my next video needs to be an upstairs clean with me. It's just, you know how it is. It's hard to clean your house in general with kids, but especially when you're like stuck in a small area and when there's like sickness and stuff involved. But let me just show you really quickly. Oh yes, I just need to clean up in here for real. This is just my life right now. All the sickness. I'm in the middle of like so many different things. I was like making DIY pillow spray and lash serum and under eye roller. Because again, like I said, I'm trying to switch over my products. Cookie sucker. Trying to get rid of all the candles. This is Tanner's, what he calls his sick juice. I have Pedialyte in here. Still need to make the change to get rid of these stupid, disgusting muffins. Let me show you how we're making coffee right now. We're making coffee in the office. Alright, so this is I'm going downstairs and we're taking all the rugs. We're redoing this railing too, so that's gonna change. But here's my floor. My floors. So here is our front room. Everything's like a little bit covered in this dust, just normal. We're sanding all of these floors and they're all gonna match. We're extending these floors to the dining room. We're extending these floors out to here. Are you guys ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Bye, wall. Okay. So this is our living room. Remember we had the like opening right here? Well, we now close that off so that we don't have to put a beam here. And then we moved this over here. No desk. The fireplace is going to be completely different. Honestly, the floors are up. We're getting a new door here. Buy a kitchen table. I need to find a new kitchen table. It's crazy, guys. Look at this. Like, it's going to feel so open now.
Nearly 500,000 Pennsylvania.
So this, I'm thinking, is going to be like a big command center. So that is how we're living right now. I'm actually recording this video, editing it, and uploading it today. We're going to go to Starbucks really quick while Carter is at school and do that because the video that I had planned today is just not ready and it'll go up on Sunday. So yeah, that is today's life update. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm going to go ahead now and just put like an overlay of everything because I know I went through that really quickly. So I'm just going to show you now another tour slowly. Oh, and I'm going to include the bathroom too. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and just give me some love right now, guys. I just need a little bit of your love.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.